Hey, what's up, gear enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel, where we dive into the coolest gadgets to level up your everyday carry. Today, we're breaking down 35 EDC gadgets for everyday carry, the ultimate gear list that's got something for everyone, from minimalist keychain tools to high-powered flashlights and rugged knives. Whether you're a hiker, a camper, or just someone who loves being prepared, this lineup is packed with must-haves. So grab a snack, settle in, and let's get into it. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more gear reviews. Let's go! First up, the PRI titanium bottle opener. This little guy is the size of a penny and just as thin as 2 stacked pennies, making it disappear on your keychain until you need it. Crafted from grade 5 titanium, it's insanely strong, capable of holding up to 164,000 times its own weight. They've even pulled a car with 2 of these bad boys hooked together. It comes with a 32mm stainless steel keyring, and the hook and pull technique makes popping bottle caps a breeze, though it takes a bit more force than larger openers. Made in the USA, it's a conversation starter and a perfect blend of compact design and brute strength. While you'll love it, it's tiny, tough, and a total flex at the next party. Next, we've got the magnetic MagSafe charger 2-pack. This 15W fast charger juices up your iPhone 16 from 0 to 100% in just 2 hours thanks to its 20W power adapter. The magnetic design ensures a secure, no-slip connection, and it's compatible with iPhone 8 and up, plus AirPods, as long as you've got a MagSafe case. With a 360 degrees charging angle adjustment, it's perfect for desk or bedside use. Plus, it's got an intelligent chip for overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating protection, keeping your device safe. You get 2 chargers and 2 6-feet cables in the pack, and the customer service is top-notch with a 24-hour response guarantee. Why you'll love it: fast, reliable, and perfect for anyone glued to their iPhone. The Anker PowerCore 10K is one of the slimmest and lightest 10,000 mAh power banks out there, weighing just 8.6 ounces. It delivers 2 charges for an iPhone 15 or 1.93 for a Galaxy S23. Its compact 5 multiplied by 2 x 0.61-inch frame is drop-tested for durability and scratch-resistant. The USB-C port works for both charging the bank and your devices, making it super versatile. Customers rave about its portability and battery life, though some note the charging speed can vary. With an 18-month warranty, this is a reliable EDC essential. Why you'll love it: it's a pocket-sized powerhouse for your on-the-go lifestyle. For quick fixes, the Keychain screwdriver set is a game-changer. This 2-piece set includes a flathead and Phillips screwdriver, both made of high-quality stainless steel. The flat handle design is easy to grip, and the included keyring makes it ultra-portable. It's perfect for small repairs, whether you're tweaking glasses or fixing a gadget. Customers love its durability and value, calling it a practical tool for maintenance or outdoor adventures. It's also a fantastic gift for anyone who loves being handy. Why you'll love it: tiny but mighty, it's your go-to for unexpected repairs. The Atomic Bear Tactical Pen is not your average writing tool. Made from military-grade aluminum, it's tough enough to double as a self-defense weapon with a glass breaking tip that can shatter a car window in one strike. It writes smoothly, rivaling luxury pens, and comes with a spare ink cartridge and an online self-defense class. Its anti-slip grip ensures control, whether you're jotting notes or preparing for an emergency. Loved by security pros and EDC fans, it's a versatile tool for any situation. Why you'll love it: it's a pen, a weapon, and a lifesaver all in one. For survivalists, the Bayite 2 Ferro Rod Fire Starter is a must. This 2-pack of 5/16-inch ferrocerium rods delivers 3,000 degrees Celsius sparks in any weather, rain, snow, or high altitude. Each rod has a 4mm hole for the included keyring, making it super portable. Pair it with a bayite striker for maximum spark showers. Customers love its reliability for camping and survival kits, and it's also handy for kitchen use. Compact yet powerful, it's a lifesaver in emergencies. Why you'll love it: start a fire anywhere, anytime with ease. The TISUR titanium EDC whistle is a 120 decibel safety tool that's small but mighty. Made of lightweight titanium, it's just 1.8 inches long and 0.2 ounce, perfect for keychains or necklaces. Its high-pitched sound cuts through noise, making it ideal for hiking, camping, or emergencies. The unibody design is waterproof and corrosion-resistant, ensuring durability. You get 2 whistles, necklaces, and keyrings in the pack, making it a great gift for outdoor lovers. Loud, durable, and a stylish safety essential. The Fenix E12V2 is a compact EDC flashlight with a 160 lumen output and a 68-meter beam distance. Powered by a single AA battery, it's easy to keep running. The matched CA18 LED lasts 50,000 hours, and the ultra-thin lens ensures a bright, even beam. With a tail switch for one-handed operation and IP68 waterproofing, it's perfect for work or outdoor adventures. The bundle includes an Edison Bright AA battery, and its tail standing capability adds versatility. Bright, compact, and ready for any challenge. Never lose your keys again with the Tile Mate Bluetooth tracker. With a 350-foot range and IP68 water resistance, it's perfect for tracking keys, bags, or even water bottles. Use the Life 360 app to locate it or make your phone ring, even on silent. The SOS feature lets you discreetly alert loved ones in unsafe situations. Customers love its ease of use and integration with iOS and Android, making it a thoughtful gift for anyone. Peace of mind in a tiny, versatile package. The Nitecore TINI 2 is a 500 lumen keychain flashlight that's smaller than a car key but packs a punch. Its dual P8 LEDs reach 97 yards, and the OLED display shows real-time brightness, runtime, and battery level. With USB-C charging and a dual switch design, it's easy to use for daily tasks or emergencies. Choose between demo and daily modes for short bursts or sustained light. At just 0.66 ounce, it's a must-have EDC. Tiny, bright, and smarter than your average flashlight. The OLIGHT i3 EOS is a slim, 180 lumen flashlight powered by a single AA battery. Its TIR optic lens delivers a soft, balanced beam, and the tail switch toggles between 5 and 180 lumens. Weighing only 1.4 ounces, it's IPX8 waterproof and features a double helix grip for secure handling. The dual direction clip makes it perfect for pockets or hats. Customers love its compact design and ease of use. Why you'll love it: sleek, powerful, and built for everyday carry. The RovyVon A3 Gen 4 is a 650 lumen USB-C rechargeable flashlight with 4 brightness modes, including a strobe for emergencies. Its magnetic base and clip let you go hands-free, and the IPX6 waterproof aluminum body handles tough conditions. The 5-click lock prevents accidental activation, and its compact size makes it ideal for camping, hiking, or DIY tasks. No charging cable included, but any USB-C works. Why you'll love it: bright, durable, and perfect for hands-free work. The Buck Knives Folding Hunter Slim is a USA-made classic with a 3.75-inch 420HC stainless steel blade. It's razor-sharp, corrosion-resistant, and lightweight with a sturdy pocket clip. Customers praise its sharpness and budget-friendly quality, though some note the lock mechanism can be finicky. Perfect for EDC or outdoor tasks, it's a reliable companion backed by Buck's legendary reputation. Why you'll love it: sharp, lightweight, and proudly American-made. The Chivivi Elementum is a sleek, sharp pocket knife with a G10 handle for grip and comfort. Its 8CR13 mauve blade holds an edge well and opens effortlessly with a flick. Customers rave about its build quality and value, with one calling it better than expected for the price. At just the right size for pockets or purses, it's a versatile EDC knife with a lifetime warranty. Why you'll love it: affordable, sharp, and built to last. The Sanren Mulan 710 is an affordable, all-steel folding knife with a 2.76-inch 8CR13 mauve blade. Its frame lock ensures safety, and the one-hand opening works for both lefties and righties. At 3.2 ounces, it's hefty enough for tough tasks like camping or hunting, but small enough for daily carry. Customers love its sharp edge and ergonomic handle. Why you'll love it: budget-friendly, tough, and perfect for rough use. The CRKT Polar 3 is a minimalist EDC knife with a 2.97-inch 8CR13 mauve blade and a grippy G10 handle. Its thumb slot and IKBS pivot ensure smooth opening, while the frame lock keeps it secure. Designed by Jesper Voxnes, it's perfect for precision tasks or big slices. Customers love its balance and pocket-friendly design. Why you'll love it: sleek, strong, and ready for any task. The Sabak Bowie is a tactical beast with a 3.5-inch 440 stainless steel blade featuring a serrated edge, glass breaker, and seatbelt cutter. Its liner lock ensures safety, and customers call it razor sharp and a great value. While some find it tricky to open, a quick lube makes it smooth. Perfect for emergencies or outdoor adventures. Why you'll love it: a multi-purpose tool for survival and rescue. The Opinel number 08 is a French icon with a 3.28-inch XC90 carbon steel blade and a beech wood handle. Its ViroBlock lock keeps the blade secure, and at 7.5 inches open, it's perfect for EDC or outdoor tasks. Customers love its sharpness and lightweight design, though it requires care to prevent corrosion. Why you'll love it: classic, sharp, and a piece of French heritage. The Gerber Paraframe Mini is a compact EDC knife with a 2.2-inch stainless steel blade and a frame lock. At just 1.6 ounces, it's easy to carry, and customers call it bulletproof for its durability. While some find the lock stiff, it's a reliable choice for camping, hiking, or daily use, backed by a lifetime warranty. Why you'll love it: lightweight, tough, and budget-friendly. The Spyderco Tenacious lives up to its name with a 3.39-inch 8CR13 mauve blade and a lightweight FRN handle. Its Walker liner lock and 4-way clip offer versatile carry options. Customers praise its sharpness and grip, making it ideal for tough tasks. This knife is a workhorse for EDC or outdoor adventures. Why you'll love it: durable, sharp, and built for the long haul. The Benchmade Bugout 535 is a premium EDC knife with a drop point blade and a lightweight Crater Blue Grivery handle. Its axis lock ensures smooth, secure operation. Designed for adventurers, it's slim yet ergonomic, and Benchmade's lifetime sharpening service keeps it razor sharp. Customers love its premium feel and versatility. Why you'll love it: lightweight, premium, and adventure-ready. The Karshar Leak is a USA-made EDC with a 3-inch 14C28N stainless steel blade. Its speed-safe assisted opening and frame lock make it safe and easy to use. The contoured 410 stainless steel handle is corrosion-resistant, and the reversible clip offers flexible carry. Customers love its matte finish and sharp edge. Why you'll love it: sleek, sharp, and made in the USA. The Night Eyes Doohickey is a 5-in-1 keychain tool with a bottle opener, flathead screwdriver, wrench, ruler, and box cutter. Made of durable stainless steel, it clips easily to keys or bags. Customers love its compact versatility for quick tasks, making it a perfect EDC add-on. Why you'll love it: a tiny toolbox on your keychain. The Geeky 16 function tool is a TSA-approved keychain multi-tool with a bottle opener, screwdriver, wrench, wire stripper, and more. Crafted from 420 stainless steel, it's just 2.76 inches long and 0.77 ounce. Customers call it a compact powerhouse for DIY, camping, or everyday fixes. Why you'll love it: 16 tools in one tiny, durable package. The Roxen S801 is a 16-in-1 multi-tool with spring-loaded scissors, a Tonto knife, pliers, a glass breaker, and 9 bits for screwdrivers. Made from SUS 420 and 3CR13 steel, it's built for survival and daily tasks. At 305G, it's hefty but versatile for camping, fishing, or emergencies. Why you'll love it: a rugged multi-tool for any adventure. The True Utility FIXR packs 20 tools into a compact design, including a bottle opener, screwdrivers, wrenches, and a wire stripper. Its 420 stainless steel body and gold-plated disc ensure durability and easy access. Customers love its sleek look and functionality for quick fixes. Why you'll love it: 20 tools in a stylish, pocket-sized package. The CRKT knife maintenance tool is a keychain essential with a tungsten carbide sharpener, ceramic honing edge, T6 and T8 Torx bits, a flathead screwdriver, and a bottle opener. At just 2.2 ounces, it's perfect for keeping your knives in top shape on the go. Why you'll love it: keeps your EDC knives sharp and ready. The KeySmart Rugged is a key organizer that holds 2 to 14 keys and includes a stainless steel bottle opener and removable pocket clip. Its 2.79 millimeters thick plates are built to last, and customers love its sleek design and functionality. Add KeySmart accessories for even more utility. Why you'll love it: organizes your keys and pops bottles with style. The SOG PowerPint is an 18-tool mini multi-tool with pliers, scissors, screwdrivers, and 2 knife blades. Its compound leverage doubles cutting power, and at 4.2 ounces, it's perfect for hiking or EDC. Customers praise its full-sized utility in a compact package. Why you'll love it: a pocket-sized multi-tool that punches above its weight. The Gerber Dime is a 12-in-1 multi-tool with needle nose pliers, wire cutters, a knife, scissors, and more. At 2.2 ounces and 2.75 inches closed, it's perfect for pockets or keychains. Its butterfly opening and locking feature keep tools safe. Backed by a lifetime warranty. Why you'll love it: compact, versatile, and built to last. The Victorinox Classic SD is a 5-function Swiss Army knife with a blade, scissors, nail file, screwdriver, and tweezers. At just 0.7 ounce, it's a stylish EDC with a walnut handle. Customers love its iconic design and high-quality steel, perfect for daily tasks. Why you'll love it: a timeless, pocket-sized multi-tool. The Leatherman Wave Plus is a pro-grade 18-in-1 multi-tool with pliers, scissors, knives, and replaceable wire cutters. At 8.5 ounces, it's a bit heavier but perfect for DIY or outdoor tasks. Customers praise its flawless USA-made build and 25-year warranty. Why you'll love it: a do-it-all tool for serious tasks. The Matador Pocket Blanket 4.0 is a 63 by 44 inch picnic blanket that packs down to fit in your palm. Its ripstop fabric with a waterproof coating is perfect for picnics or beach trips. Integrated stakes and sand pockets keep it secure, and the easy pack pattern makes folding a breeze. Why you'll love it: portable comfort for any outdoor adventure. The Genevega waterproof picnic blanket is extra large, perfect for family outings or festivals. Its waterproof backing keeps you dry, and the soft top layer ensures comfort. Lightweight and foldable, it's easy to carry for picnics, camping, or concerts. Customers love its stylish design and durability. Why you'll love it: spacious, comfy, and adventure-ready. The Topsol 128 GB USB-C flash drive is a 2-in-1 with USB-A and USB-C ports, offering 90 MB/S read and 35 MB/S write speeds. Store up to 12 hours of 4K video or 75,000 photos. Its aluminum body is durable, and the LED indicator confirms connectivity. Perfect for smartphones or PCs. Why you'll love it: fast, spacious, and versatile storage on the go. And there you have it: 35 incredible EDC gadgets to level up your everyday carry. From tiny tools to powerful knives and flashlights, there's something here for everyone. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments below and let me know what gear you want to see next. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that bell for more gear reviews. Until next time, stay prepared and stay awesome. Peace out.